Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today, I'm going to be just a small build, just working on the bridge that will lead up to from the ramp to the bridge tower, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I've just taped down the bit that's going to be raised and lowered, just so where I need to glue in between. And I've also taken these off the tower so I can then put it in and glue the whole thing on instead of having to glue put one side in and then glue that down. So that is what I'm going to be working on today. Also, I know my previous videos the angle has been a bit dodgy. So I'm looking at a camera stand and I will be able to film it face down. So hopefully for future videos, the angle will be much better. Okay guys, let's get started. And that's it finished. There's a couple of things, depends on what you use as this for the actual surface. You can either just rough it up with a bit of tin foil, but on these it doesn't do much, as does a wire scrubber. It just kind of sands it down. So if you want to texture it, you can always just draw lines on it, or then sharp craft knife, or what do they call it, I can't remember. Yeah, and then there's sharp craft, an X-Acto knife, that's what we call it. Or you can just use, like I said, a pencil to just draw a line. But I'm happy with it. It's already kind of textured, and once painted and given a wash with a dark wash, it'll be good. So as you can see, it works fine. Underneath, it looks good. It's sturdy. And once it's glued, these two bits are glued into place, you'll see it'll stand. So yeah, hope you liked today's video, guys. Just let me know in the comments what you think. If anyone ever has a build request or a build suggestion, what I'm going to start doing is getting like a little pot, writing down all these build suggestions I do get. Then once I've got a few, I'll take one out and I'll make a start on that. So I'll make a another playlist. I think I actually already have a playlist ready for it. So yes, I'll use that for any build requests and suggestions I get. So yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye for now.